Good morning, guys. The time is, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 12:17. Well, it's morning for me because I had a few drinks. I have my coffee right here. Monitoring the Swift chat right now. People are crazy. But today is the day we are gonna rebuild my computer. It's gonna be amazing. Stick around. See you later, guys.
Hi guys, this is the computer technician. Here we have Tube and Mice next chassis. It's one of my old ones and I gave it to him for free. And here are the fans that was installed in this system. This one is pretty old. It came with the system about 8 years ago, I think. This is a new one. This is also pretty old, like 5 or 6 years old. So today we're gonna build sort of a new computer with a new motherboard, new CPU, hopefully. We are going to get that right now. And was there something more? Yes, a new CPU fan. Not the original one, a new one. I can't remember the name of it. So check back. Yay, coffee machines! That's what we're here to buy.
Yes, I gotta buy new coffee.
Yay, razors! So this is the one we're getting for his new computer. Here we are coming up on Tube and Mice's new power plant for his new computer. Solar driven. Pretty big, but so is his new computer.
That's what she said.
It's gonna need a lot of power. Tube and Mice is hungry for some food.
Hungry.
So we're going to Max. Swedish hamburgers. Looks nice. So here we have it, his old computer. It's a Phoenix Prodigy. It's nice looking, but it's too compact and it's dusty as hell. We have heating problems, as you can see. It's and if we take a look inside here, there is the CPU fan. We got lots and lots of dust in here. That's why it's overheating. Oh my god. Old one, bye bye. It's like those robots that went into the Titanic. All of the sea debris left on the ocean floor. Wow, this looks ancient. Oh my god. Yep, there we have it. We are gonna take this and this, and it's 500. It's a little small, but it'll do. And then we are going to take these two memory sticks. I'm not gonna clean this up. PSU. Fractal design. Barracuda hard drive. Vengeance low profile. 8 gigabyte. And this is the graphics card. It's an NVIDIA 660 GTX. So here it is, the most expensive part as of now.
$300.
300 doll hairs. So we're on our way here. He's gonna put a module in, memory module.
And nothing.
You push it till it clicks. No, push it. Yay. Hooray!
Progress.
Progress! The airflow this way, we're gonna put one of the fans here so it blows through, and we're gonna put a fan here so we can take in air that way. Testing. And we are also placing a fan here that pulls the air out here. Well, looks like somebody found his way into the computer. It says tube! Tube in mine!
Wait, I'm in the computer!
Fuck cable management. It's not working in this old chassis because you have the power supply all the way down here and you have to go up through these holes, and it's a mess. And well, it's old, so the SSD is, well, we don't have anything to secure it yet, but since it's not never mind that. But we are going to fire it up. Okay, so the moment of truth. The moment of truth. We are giving it a test go here. So if you will do the honors. Yes, we have liftoff.
All fans are working.
And it's working. We connected the cables. It's awesome. So now we are going to hook up a monitor and install the OS. Yes.
Come on. Come on.
We have found a problem with the motherboard. This memory bank, this one right
The
here,
third one?
the third one, or the second one.
That depends on which.
Yeah, whatever. It's broken. If you put one of the memory modules in this bank, the computer won't work at all. It just reboots. We have tried with these and we have tried with my old memories. An additional hour has went by. We had some sort of dinner or something. And we made a bootable USB drive right there, Darth Vader, for Windows 10, which we are going to install now. For the installation progress, everything is a-okay. That fan isn't installed. We are going to install it. There is some sort of noise coming from the power unit. I don't know if you can pick it up, but the fan is uneven. It's not balanced. You can hear it. Well, as some of you may have noticed, if anyone's watching, is I'm using a Mac keyboard. I bought this 6 or 7 years ago, and I absolutely love the design. I still love the design, but first of all, you can't use more than 3 or 4 keys at the same time, so you can't play with it. And second of all, you miss the keys all the time when you play. You don't get a feel for where the keys are because it's so flush, so flat. So we are losing patience here. As it turns out, the free Windows 10 upgrade doesn't work very well with the new system. So I'm downloading Windows 8 on a USB, and we'll try it from there. See how it goes. But the computer has been up and running for about an hour-ish, and no problems at all. Everything seems to be working fine. Windows 10 not working. We have been fucking around with this asshole for like 2 months. Yes, give or take 2 minutes. And we are pretty frustrated, but now we got it working because they're not.
And it all went downhill from here. After a couple of days, maybe a week, the computer had rebooted and crashed several times. We went for a replacement of the motherboard, and to our embarrassment, the tech guy at Webhallen found bent pins on the CPU socket. I didn't see these bent pins when I installed the board, but you can clearly see them as black dots in the video I shot. The motherboard was a returned product from another customer with a lower price tag, and as it turns out, the tech guy handling the return at Webhallen missed the bent pins and then sold it back to TubeMai. So we ended up replacing that motherboard with one from MSI instead, and that did the trick. On top of this, we had all sorts of problems with the upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 10. As it turns out, Windows 8 can't handle SSDs all that well, so we had to figure out how to make it work, which took us several hours. But sadly, this wasn't the end of it. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the 500 watt PSU may be a little too low, and yes, I was right. After a couple of weeks, if I remember correctly, the computer started rebooting a lot, especially during long gaming sessions. So we went out and bought a Corsair 750 watt PSU, and the rig has since then been running without a hitch. I can easily say that in my 20 years of building computers, nothing comes even close to the problems I had building this one. And now, months later, TubeMai finally upgraded that old GTX 660 to a brand spanking new GTX 970 from MSI. Sure, it took a couple of months, but in the end, things turned out pretty great after all, and TubeMai got himself a pretty decent computer now.
It's working!